What's up, Big Blue Nation, University of Kentucky? Get up off your feet. It's time to work out. Let's go. Here we go again. Here we go again. What's up, Big Blue Nation? I'm back again. What's up, University of Kentucky? How y'all feeling? How y'all feeling? I know. The gyms are closed, but hey, that's okay. That's okay. So today's workout, again, my name is James T. Hall. I probably mentioned it already. Have a master's in wellness. So today's workout is going to focus on cardio. It's cardio, or called endurance, or conditioning, or cardiovascular. The benefit or the purpose of that is going to help improve, your heart, your blood vessels, your lung. It's going to help them keep them overall healthy, improve your overall fitness. And this is important for you students because sometimes, you might have a long walk across campus. And this will help you stay in shape so you won't be tired. So I recommend don't catch the bus. Why catch the bus on UK campus? I didn't catch the bus. Y'all young, 18, 19, y'all young. Y'all can take it. Don't catch the bus. Just walk across campus. So again, today's workout, you don't need no treadmill. You don't need no bike. You don't need no stepper to help improve your cardio endurance. So we're gonna focus on a couple of exercises I'm gonna demonstrate to you. Again, no treadmill, you don't need no bike or nothing. First, let's start out with a warm-up. Again, a warm-up, it just gets your body and your mind ready for the workout. It's not the workout, it's just getting you ready to get in the mood to do the workout. Again, you're probably familiar with this workout, with this warm-up. So hey, let's get started. So we're gonna do about 10 to 20 of these. Then let's go in reverse. Do about 10 to 20. Now let's go over your head. Do about 10 to 20 of these. And let's do about 10 toe touches, to stretch out your hamstrings, your lower back, and your core. Do about 10 of these. So I'm not going to do all 10 for time's sake. And next we're going to do a standing ab crunch, which will, warm up your core, your legs, and arms. Then you're going to do 10 on one side, 10 on the other side for a total of 20. So again, just take your time. And also, you can also use this for cardio too. I'll show you that a little bit later. Yeah, we're going to have some fun. All right, so we all warmed up. First one, we're going to start out with jumping jacks. You're probably familiar with that. So this time, this is a circuit. So I recommend to do this 3 to 5 times for a total of 3 to 5 circuits. And rest about 1 to 2 minutes in between the circuit. You don't want to rest a long time. You don't want to sit there and rest about 10 minutes. You want to keep that heart rate elevated. Remember, heart rate stays up, you burn more calories. Up, not down. Keep the heart rate elevated. Now, in between, you go talk on your cell phone, text, hey, what's up? No. We're here to work out. We're here to make ourselves better, get in better shape, and get in better condition. So only rest about 1 to 2 minutes in between each circuit. We're going to do a total of 3 to 5. You're going to do it at least 2 days out of the week or 3 days out of the week. Maybe a Monday and Thursday, or Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. All right, so first we're going to do jumping jacks. Again, we want to do 60. Again, now I'm pushing you now. Goal is to get 60. I'm not going to demonstrate 60, but the goal is to get 60. I can do 60. And I'm not going to ask you to do something that I can't do. Straight up, keeping it real. So you're going to do a total of 60 jumping jacks. Again, just take your time. There's no rush. Take your time. Come on, let's do it. Give me 60. Let's go. Give me 60. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. 60. Give me some energy. All right. So next one, we're going to do some boxing. All right. I'm coming for you, Rocky. I'm coming for you. Hey, I float like a butterfly. I sting like a bee because I'm part of the Big Blue Nation. You cannot defeat me. Yes. Oh, yeah. I got that for you. I can rhyme a little. So we're going to do some boxing type of aerobic conditioning. So you're going to bounce. So I'm going to 30 punches on the left, 30 on the right for a total of 60. There you go. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Come on. right, switch to the other side. You're gonna get 30. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. There you go. Next, we're gonna do some mountain climbers. So we're gonna get down. You're gonna get all the way down. All right, you ready? Are you ready? I'm ready. Are you ready? We're gonna do a total of 60. 60. 60. That's what I'm talking about. So let's do 60 mountain climbers. There you go. Give me 60. Don't cheat. If you can't get 60, you only get 30, that's fine. If you only get 40, that's fine. But work up to 60. Give me 60. Next, high knee step ups. Gonna do a total of 60, 30 on the left, 30 on the right. Let's go. Let's get that knee up. Get it up. Get it up. Come on. Get that knee. Don't let me come to your place. Get that knee up. We're not here to play no games. Get that knee up. Come on, pull it. There you go. Total of 60. Next is frog jumps. Now, I put my disclaimer. If you have some bad knees, do not do this. Again, if you have some bad knees, do not do this. It's not going to blame me because you hurt your leg. No. If you have some bad knees, do not do this. Actually, I got this from my daughter's martial art class called frog jumps. We're not doing 60 of these. We're going to do 10 to 20. Do not do 60. 10 to 20 frog jumps. Making that clear. 10 to 20. Not 60. 10 to 20. All right. Keep your core nice and tight. And you're going to jump. Like that. Like a frog. 10 to 20. All right. Now 60. Next is a standing crunch. Again, you can use this to warm up your body. Also, it can be cardio. Now you can turn it into like a dance. Like I'm in a fraternity, so you step it. So you can do 30 on the left, 30 on the right. All right, let's get busy. Let's dance. Let's dance. Let's go. Yeah. Get it. Up. 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 Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Give me some energy. Give me some energy. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Give me some energy. Yeah. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Energy. 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 All right. So 30 on the left, 30 on the right. Total 60. Next, standing front kick. Again, I'm not a martial artist. You know, might not have perfect form kicking. The goal is to just get that leg up, get your breathing rate up, keep the heart rate up. Again, 30 on the left, 30 on the right. Again, you can alternate, whatever makes you feel comfortable. All right, come on. There you go. Kick it out. Kick it out, come on. There you go. Kick it, kick it, kick it, kick it, come on. Kick it, kick it, come on. Kick it, come on. Kick it. Come on. Come on. There you go. All right, how y'all feeling? I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good. I don't know about y'all. I'm feeling good. All right, let's do a cool down. You know, purpose of cool down, lower your breathing, lower your heart rate so you don't get dizzy. With my cool down, I like to do a lot of flexibility exercise. So, all right, let's cool down. All right, let's have a seat. I feel good. Yeah. 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 What's up, Big Blue Nation? University of Kentucky. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Like I said, you don't need no equipment to get in shape. Yeah. Hey, some of y'all might not want to go back to the gym. I know the fitness is like, no, JT, don't say that. We need them to come back. We want your money. All right, so let's reach out to one leg for 20 seconds. Yeah, nice, slow, controlled breathing. Yeah, feel good. Woo! Good cardio. Good cardio. All right, go to the other side. Nice, slow breathe. Hold at least 20 seconds. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Even though the gyms are closed, I got a competition coming up in May and June. So, you know me, I got to be creative. Got a bench press meet in May, a bench press meet in August. So, I got to keep my body in shape, you know, until the gyms open up. But hey, I got to be ready to go in May and June. In May and August. We ready to compete. So, hey, got to work out at home. Keep that body in shape. All right, the next one. I feel good. Yeah. Hold about 20 seconds there. Nice, slow breathing. Yeah. Yeah, buddy. Switch the other side. Yeah, this is my trophy room. I also call it my fortress of solitude. But the camera angle, you can't see everything in here. Yeah. Feel good. Feel good, y'all? Feel good to me. If it don't feel good to y'all, then do it again. All right. All right, so let's review. So today is cardio calisthenics, or using your own body weight to help you get in shape. Again, you don't need no bike, you don't need no stepper or whatever, you know, to get your heart rate elevated. We're using your own body weight. So we did jumping jacks, do about 60, boxing, total of 60, 30 on the left, 30 on the right, mountain climbers, do 30 on the left, 30 on the right, high knee steps, do 30 on the left, 30 on the right. Again, frog jumps, disclaimer, if you got bad knee problems or bad lower back, don't do this. But if your lower back and knees are fine, do 10 to 20. Next, standing crunch with some energy. Do 30 on the left, 30 on the right for a total of 60. And standing front kicks. Do 30 on the left, 30 on the right for a total of 60. Again, this is a circuit. Do it 3 to 5 circuits. Only rest about 1 to 2 minutes. Again, you don't want to rest long. You want to keep your heart rate elevated. It's going to burn more calories. It's going to help you get in shape. Again, it depends on your time schedule. You can do it twice a week, like on Monday and Thursday, or you can do it 3 times out of the week, like Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Again, you cannot put a price on your health, so you got to take care of your body. You only got one body. You know, you might be young, but you're not invincible. Remember that. You're not invincible. Even my favorite superhero, Superman, he's not invincible. He has a weakness, kryptonite. So you're not invincible. Take care of your body now. Sow a seed. Sow a seed right now so you'll reap the benefit. I've been exercising for many years. Why? Because I'm sowing a seed in my body. I'm sowing a seed. So when I retire, I'm going to be awesome. I'm going to be in great shape. You know what I'm saying? Sow a seed. Take care of your body now. You know, you only got one body. You are responsible for your health. You know, not your boyfriend, not your girlfriend, not even your doctor. You are responsible for your body. So take care of it. You don't need to go to the gym to get in great shape, or to lose weight, or to change your body. You can do it right here. I'm right here in my trophy room, and I can get in great shape and maintain my strength. Even though I got a competition coming up in May and August, I'm not going to slack. Take care of your body. Do it. Do it right now. You make a difference right now. Not tomorrow, not a week later, right now. Let's get busy. If you have any questions, if you need any help, send me an email. It's at james.hall@uky.edu. So let's get busy. Remember, a body in motion, stay in motion. A body at rest, stay at rest. So what do you want to be? You want to be in motion, staying active, or do you want to be at rest? Being at rest, you get lazy, you gain weight, right? That's the choice. Emotion and rest. Gaining weight. I want everybody to be in motion and to be in great shape so you can fulfill the calling on your life. That's what it's all about. So let's sow a seed. Yeah. Big Blue Nation. Big Blue Nation. Yeah. University of Kentucky students. Big Blue Nation. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Big Blue Nation.